Hi everyone, Tim from Grandad's Workshop. Right, okay, the last video we have just completed step 30. We put the little light on and popped some books on the bottom shelf there, and so we're now moving on to step 31. We're going to be putting on our banister rails. Okay, so we've got C21, C20, C19. Now there is a right way up and a wrong way. I suppose it's the end of the world if you happen to glue them on and get it the wrong way around. But it's quite difficult to see, but the correct way is where the two little shoulders are at the top. 21 is going there, 20 is going there, and 19 is going there, so we might have to drop our wire out now while we do this. So that was step 31. We've got our banister rails on, they're all in place. And then we're moving on to step 32, and we're cutting the rug. Cutting the rug, that's dancing I think, is it? Anyway, we're cutting the rug from sheet 2, and then that is going to get a dab of glue and it just slides into the corner. That's your rug, so that is step 32. Right, now we're going to go on to a bit of posh furniture building. Look at that. Step 33, we're building a little round. What's that, like a drinks table? Is it a card table? I don't know. But it does say on it, please remove the parts carefully. So you've been warned. B15, tabletop. So, bit of glue onto A28, and then doing that up with A29. Just put that to one side for a minute, because I think the easiest way is going to be to turn your tabletop upside down on the top, and then it doesn't look central on the camera, but it is, trust me. And then in step 34 we're going to make ourselves a fancy little chair for reclining in and reading all our books. So we're back onto sheet A. We want A11, that's the back of the chair. A10 is the base of the chair, and 2 9s for either side. So just the 4 pieces there. Pop some glue on there. And what I'm going to do is I'll put the base and the back into place on one side before we stick the other side on. You'll notice that both the side pieces are stained on one side, and it's the same side. So from one angle, split together, from one angle it's not going to look so good because there's no stain there, and the other side they both look good. So when you pop it into place, which we will be doing in a couple of minutes, bear that in mind. Okay, so once our chair and table glue's all dried up, what they're saying is that your chair is going to go on the rug at a bit of an angle, so that would give you your stained side facing this open end, which is going to stay open. So that's the angle that you'll be viewing the chair. So that's going to go on there, and then your little table somewhere near this front edge of the rug. So there you go. That is up to and including step 35 all done. Look at that, it's looking cosy in front of the fire there. Look at that. So the bit I've been looking forward to, we're going to put my dog on. So there you go, that's A25 the bars and B19 Bentley. The dog is going to go just by the table. The vase obviously is going to go on the table, but it's also showing us to use paper 3, and I think it means 3 papers. And although they're very tiny, they look like envelopes to me. Now, I haven't got any of them, so that's what we've got there. We've got our chair, table, vase, hound. Please like and subscribe, and join me for the next one soon.